Last time we downloaded Bootstrap, and if you open up your application again, you'll see that it doesn't look the same as it did without the Bootstrap. Bootstrap automatically applied some of the CSS. So let me show you how to change some of the elements here. Let's change this text to a different color. And then from these examples, you can extrapolate and do other things with CSS. It's just a matter of figuring out where your CSS is located and changing it in your code. So let's go look at Bootstrap. And on the side, click on CSS on the top here. And then that's going to be some text. So let's go look at some text, which is typography. And if you see anything you like, I'll show you how to put it in your application. See, this is all the examples right here. Let's see, rows, basic form. Let's see, typography, body, build, small, font. Let's see. Okay, let's do this. Let's get this color right here. It's a pink. I mean, it's a kind of like a yellowish color. That's like a warning because I could tell because see it has the example emphasis class. It has example and it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I want this one. So easiest to do is just to copy like this. Go copy, copy. Then go to your application. Our page is, remember, here. And enter your name and email. That's the text that was up here. Enter your name and email. All right. So I'm going to paste. Okay. We don't need this part because we need to surround the paragraph element with our text here. Enter our name and email, corresponds with that. So go ahead and just drag that over here. Okay, and we don't need this right here. Delete that and press save. All right, then go back to your application, refresh, see how it changed. That's because all the CSS that's in the Bootstrap right here, all the CSS is in here. And you just got to figure out what CSS matches with what style. I can keep on going on and on. But basically, all the CSS that we downloaded, that we downloaded in the Bootstrap, is showcased in here. You just got to look around and see what you like. Okay. All right. Next thing we're going to do is let's make this button. Oops, we don't really care about that. We want to make this button a different color. So let's do that. So that's a button, right? So let's go buttons. Click on buttons and choose what buttons we like. Oh, the same thing. Let's put this one in here, the danger button, and that's this button right here, danger. Okay, so you think that we could do it like the copy and go to our application, go to our new again, okay, and you think that we can do it like this, paste, just like we did the other time. All right. Okay, button type, button class button. We don't need. We can actually put this in here like that, danger, to see the difference. But we really want our submit to be the one that's having the CSS defined in it. So what I did here was the same thing that I did up here. I surrounded the element that I needed with my from what I wanted in the HTML. This is our submit button, and this is the class that I brought down the same way I did up here. I surrounded it with that. So let's go ahead and save and see what that gave us. All right, go back to Diamond and do a refresh. And see, it went danger and our button, but our button did not change. Our button is still the same same style. All it did was put whatever we had around there. To emphasize that, let me show you when I take out the word danger. Let's take out the word danger. Okay, save it again. Then press refresh. See, the button's not changing. All it did was put the CSS around it, the styles around it. We want to actually change the button, and the elements are going to be used differently. So you know, programming in anything is partly knowing how to use Google. So I googled Bootstrap change button in Form 4 Ruby, and it got me to this page here. Stack Overflow is very helpful, and this is how you do it within a Ruby button. Okay, you do it actually inside the Ruby itself, right here, as opposed to the other way that I thought that you would do it. So let's do it that way. So instead of doing it the way that we had it for the regular HTML element, because it doesn't do it that way, delete that. And type in what they told us to type in on that page. So CLI click monkey. Okay, click monkey, comma, class. And the class is still the same because the class we got from the CSS button danger. Okay, put that directly inside our code and save it. All right. Oops. All right. And before I refresh to show you, I want to emphasize that this was what we got, and I got the class from here. This is what the class was. All right. So basically, class right there, button. All right. Go back to our application, refresh. There we go. Click monkey. Click monkey. F submit. Click monkey. That's obviously what the name that I put inside there, the button, and the class, the CSS button danger. Okay. So basically, it all comes down to Bootstrap has all of the stuff done for you. You just got to figure out where it's at. Click on CSS on the top and click on what you need on the side. You know, horizontal form, blah blah blah. What you see, what you like. Go look at it and copy it. But if it doesn't work the way you expect it to work, like it worked up here, the way we did it. But remember, this is Ruby on Rails. Ruby on Rails has a different way of doing things. Do a Google search, and you'll find it how to do it the Ruby on Rails way. Okay, and that's it for the CSS part of the Bootstrap. All you got to do now is just go through Bootstrap and figure out how you want your web page to look, and it'll look great and professional. Once again, thank you for viewing my videos. Bye-bye.